Manje skuplje ti se te printalove, čovječe.
I know.
Super.
It's okay.
Oh wait, that's not what I was supposed to do.
What are you supposed to do? No. Is it already pre-built?
Yeah, the full thing.
I spent 8 hours building my house.
Okay, so still unboxing stuff. Printer's more unboxed, and I have a lot of stuff in the corner. Very exciting. Update, I cleaned up the space. All the boxes are gone. Now I have the printer calibrating. Just going through that motion, and I have my jet, well, basically my custom HVAC, whatever you want to call it, mini turbine that I'm gonna put at the window so that I have no carbon fiber fumes in my house. There's a lot of set up to this, but yeah, and there's gonna be a lot of editing to these first videos because I am not a YouTuber, but maybe I will be. Who knows? All right, now it's ready for me to load these filaments. So I have 3 blacks, one orange, and 1 blue, and then I'll have an ABS white coming in soon as well, and I have my PPS CF10. So that I'll load later. I do need to change out the nozzles since I got an extra, like normal hardened steel nozzle, but I do have a tungsten nozzle. So this will be just for the left-hand side for the AMS HT and for the PPS CF10. Okay, I'm about to load the next one, but what I thought was interesting is that it already knew that it was Bambu PLA black. So I'm gonna see if it knows that it's the blue type. Maybe it's an automatic, I don't know, but just something interesting. And it knew that it was blue. That's pretty cool. That's actually really cool. Sweet.